Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video, and if you're a marathon subscriber, thank you for always watching my videos. Today I'm making a green smoothie for weight loss using cucumbers, celery, banana and half a lemon. And put all your ingredients into your speed blender. But firstly I need to squeeze my lemon. That's my lemon juice done. I'll just peel my banana. Okay guys, now that all my ingredients are prepped, it's now time to put them all to my speed blender. Firstly goes in my cucumbers. Secondly goes in my celery. After that goes in my banana. Finally goes in my lemon juice. I'll add a bit of water just to go with it. And I'll now cover them in 30 to 40 seconds. Okay guys, this is my freshly blended nut smoothie. It's now time to serve. This smoothie is very beneficial for weight loss. And can also count as one of your 5 a day because of the banana. Let me know in the comment section below which country you watch me from. As we are now coming to the end of the video, kindly like, share, comment and please subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, bye guys.